Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est vendredi le 18 janvier and I'm going to tell you what we did today because I know I had several people absent. Fourth and seventh period we did do today's lesson, but sixth period because I had 7 people out, I decided to just do the warm-up and then I'm going to postpone what we did today till Tuesday. However, you still need to watch the video because if you go ahead and get it done, that's one less thing you have to do Tuesday. So, first thing is, of course, we went and did our warm-up. And today's warm-up was on a painting by a famous Impressionist painter. His name was Auguste Renoir. His first name was Pierre. I probably should put that in. Pierre-Auguste Renoir. This is the painting one of many paintings that he did. And I allowed the students to take their phones and look up 5 interesting facts about the painter and then the painting. And some of the things that were brought up were that he was one of the leading Impressionist painters back in his time. He had 3 sons. And he had severe arthritis in his hands at one point to where, in order to be able to keep painting, he would strap the paintbrush to his hands so that he could continue to paint. So I thought that was pretty phenomenal. That's how dedicated he was. This painting right here is called Le Pont Neuf, Paris, and which means the new bridge, Le Pont Neuf. And it was painted in 1872, and it was shown in the Impressionist exhibition of 1874. You can also find this painting in the National Art Gallery in Washington, D.C. So, that's basically what we learned about for the warm-up. Okay, so next, we reviewed a little bit about the near future, or le futur proche. So, remember those notes, and I'm going to go to, well, right here, to French 2, to pre-AP notes and activities. We're going to scroll down. And so we reviewed about the verb aller and using it in the near future with activities, things that we're going to do. That was yesterday. So today what I had 4th and 7th period do is we copied down these sentence starters. Okay, in our notebooks on page 74, we copied all of these down and what they meant. We pronounced them, and then they chose 5 of the sentence starters, and they wrote about 5 things that they're going to do at that time. So, let's go ahead and pronounce. Écoutez et répétez. Ce week-end, ce week-end, ce matin, cet après-midi, ce soir, ce lundi, and here I put this in parentheses because of course you can plug this in with any day of the week. Cette semaine, cet été, cette année, aujourd'hui, demain, après l'école, dans, for example, 10 minutes, in 10 minutes, dans 3 heures, in 3 hours, dans 4 jours, in 4 days. L'année prochaine, la semaine prochaine. So, again, we chose 5, and I will just go ahead and do some examples here. So, for example, if I wanted to say, and I wanted to say this summer, cet été, so I would start with that. And I would say, je vais, because all of your sentences are going to have je vais in it because you're talking about yourself, right? And what you're going to do. So what am I going to do? Qu'est-ce que je vais faire? Cet été, this summer, je vais aller à la plage. I'm going to go to the beach. So then you go to the next, then you type your second sentence. Now your second sentence has to be using a different sentence starter. So let's say demain, tomorrow, je vais parler avec des amis. I'm going to talk with friends tomorrow. Okay? So basically that is what you're going to do at the bottom of page 74. You're going to choose 5 of them and you're going to write 5 sentences telling me what you're going to do. Now, if you don't have your notes with you, if you don't remember how to say all of the activities, then you can go back to my webpage on French Tutu Pre-AP Notes and Activities, and you should have the pastimes. Here it is. Let's see if this is the one that has the words to it. These are just the pictures. Okay, so not that one. So let's see. Review of les passe-temps. Maybe it's that one. Okay, here it is. This is the review chart for the activities. So you have all of these. So you have jouer. And of course, these activities mean that you have to put jouer in front of them. You can't just say au baseball. You have to say jouer au baseball. Then you have all of these. Then you have all your fair activities. Okay. So you can go to this chart right here, review of les passe-temps with answers, on my webpage if you don't have them in your, if you don't have your notebook with you. So there's that one. All right. Also, if you come up here, I believe in this, you will have activities to like and dislike. And here is copy of les passe-temps, Unité 2. And this one has the entire PowerPoint with the names of the activities. All right. So perfectly easy to get to my stuff if you look. All right. All right. And then that's it. That's what we did. Bon après-midi. Au revoir.